Ever wondered how to throw a perfect pizza party? Picture this. A gathering of your favorite people, laughter echoing through the room, and the enticing aroma of delicious pizza wafting through the air. This is the magic of a pizza party. A celebration that appeals to everyone, from toddlers to grandparents. It's about more than just the food. It's about the joy of sharing a meal, particularly one as universally loved as pizza. Stay tuned, as we're about to share the perfect recipe for a fun-filled pizza party. The success of any party lies in the preparation. Let's break this down into 3 digestible steps. First, nail down your guest list. Knowing who's coming will help you estimate the amount of pizza you'll need. Remember, pizza lovers come in all shapes and sizes, so plan generously. Next, selecting the variety of pizzas. This is where you can show off your pizza prowess. Choose a mix of classic favorites and adventurous options. Pepperoni and margarita are safe bets, but don't shy away from gourmet combos like prosciutto and fig. And let's not forget our vegan and gluten-free friends. There are plenty of delicious options available for them too. Now, onto the party location. This is your stage, your canvas. Comfortable seating is key. Create a casual atmosphere that invites conversation and laughter. Think of it as your very own pizzeria, but with a personal touch. With these preparations in place, you're already halfway to hosting a memorable pizza party. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to bring your pizza party to life. The execution is all about timing and maintaining a relaxed atmosphere. Start by serving your pizzas in a staggered manner. This keeps the pizzas hot and fresh, and it also keeps your guests engaged as they anticipate the next pizza flavor. While your guests are waiting, keep the party lively with some pizza-themed entertainment. How about a game of Name That Topping, or maybe a trivia contest about the history of pizza? This not only fills the wait time, but also stirs up some friendly competition. Remember, the key to a successful pizza party is to create a welcoming atmosphere. This isn't a formal dinner. It's a fun gathering where everyone can let their hair down, laugh, and indulge in their love for pizza. So, keep the vibe casual and the conversation flowing. Remember, the goal of a pizza party is to create an enjoyable and relaxed environment for your guests to indulge in their love for pizza. So, ready to throw your own pizza party now? Let's recap. First, thoughtful preparation is key. Plan your menu, making sure to include a diverse selection of pizzas to cater to all tastes. Next, create a comfortable setting that encourages social interaction. And finally, execute your plan with fun-filled activities that keep the party lively and engaging. With these steps, you're all set to host a pizza party that your guests will remember for a long time. Happy planning!